And we're just heading up over the passes towards the Okanagan from the coast. This is the big BC storm. There's a forecast of about 25 to 35 centimeters up in where we are going in the Okanagan, and the passes could be kind of dicey. So in Abbotsford, we just have seen 4 or 5 cars in the ditch. Roads are slushy and icy, and saw earlier when we came up through Washington, it was just covered in everything was covered in icicles, power lines and traffic lights. We're all going at around 60, 65 kilometers an hour. We've got snow plows on one side. It's just all over. It's just a mess. Oh, that's not good. We're heading past Hope now. It's 4:20. And, you can see it's giving way to flakes, which is much better. Tractors, they don't stop for anyone. Getting towards the Hope turnoff, and people are going at 50 kilometers an hour. It's about just under 35 miles an hour. It's looking a bit better now, but the wipers are all icing up again, and yeah, people are just going slow, creeping along. When we left, we relied on the BC Highways websites to tell us what to expect, and we came completely equipped for everything we needed. We have studded winter tires on here, and we have all the emergencies kit and beyond that we would need in case of trouble. Do it. Turning us down to one lane.
It's a bear tunnel.
Great bear.
Watch out for bears. Watch out for the bears.
So we've made it up to Merritt, and we're heading up from Merritt to Kamloops, which is technically going to be the more dangerous part of the trip. Apparently up in the Okanagan the weather is really bad. The roads have been good this last stretch. Not sure where things are going to go from here, so I guess we'll have to wait and see. Alright, so we just passed Kamloops. As you can see, we got a lot more snow. We're stuck behind a plow right now, but roads are a lot icier, but not allowed to pass the snowplow. What's he doing? He's passing the snowplow. Where's the rumble strip? Is that on my left or on my right?
That sounded like on your left.
Thought so. But like you can see, like it's deep.
That's on your. I can feel it on my right.
Yeah?
Yeah, I can feel it on my right.
Feel it all over the place.
Oh, maybe it's just my imagination.
I don't know. Now it's on my left. So we're coming close to Vernon, and now the snow is starting to pick up again. Plows haven't been here for a bit, but so it's getting. The plows haven't been here for a bit, so it means that the snow is a bit thicker on the road. But by far, the worst part of this trip has been the coast, where there was freezing rain and heavy slush, and none of the cars were prepared for the weather. That said, it's still taking us an extra 2 hours or so to get up here from normal. So we've turned off the main highway onto a back road in our area, and it becomes apparent immediately how good of a job the plows have been doing, how well they've been keeping up with the amount of snow that's been